all. Welcome back to Excel Skill. Let us start with the unique function with usage of date and text. Here I have the list of the number and I have the list of the month. According to the number, the first number means here the January month. If I have to change it to 4, the number, even the month is also changing. So now we learn how to get this a unique trick by using the date and text function. So now I will be doing Ctrl Z. Now I'll show you how to make this month according to the number wise. Give equals, enter text, open the parenthesis, type the date and again open the parenthesis and give any year, for example 2023, then give comma, then choose the month. Here we are indicating number, so choose the number, give comma, then day give 1 and close the parenthesis and give comma, enter the inverted comma. We are giving the importance to the month, so the month should be in M. Type 4 times M, close the inverted comma, close the parenthesis and hit enter. You could see there 1 as a January. Same applies, the holds good for the down. And now your month is dynamic. So if you want to cross check, you can do it. I am pressing 2 here and month is also changing according to the number. Here if I have to press 3, it is changing according to the number over here. So in order to press again here, if I have to press for 8 for the August month, yes, it is changing it. Do like, share and comment. Your subscription is important to me to come up with many more Excel tips and tricks. Thank you for watching this video again. Do subscribe.